In this video, we will show you how to print envelopes in Microsoft Word. First, you can create new documents, and then you can click My Links, choose Start Mail Merge, and step-by-step Mail Merge Wizard. Choose in here is Envelopes, and click Starting Documents. Choose Envelope Options. And in here, you can choose envelope size. For example, in here, I mean choose size 10 in here. And then we can click Select Recipients, and you can type New List. And we can click Create in here. For example, we can create 3 records. Mr. And we can save this as our database. And we can click OK in here. For example, we click to and choose title space first name space last name, and we can see the result to Mr. Joe Biden. We can also make this font is bigger. In the My Links, we can preview the results, and we can print all records in using print documents and choose all. In here, I will print in the My Offline Printer. Voila, you can see there, all is printing in here in 3 records. That's a tutorial how to print envelopes in Microsoft Word.